In this video, you will see how to use the Verify Hidden keyword in Avo Assure to verify the hidden status of a selected existing object, such as few control options for certain user profiles within SAP application when automating it. Begin by adding the first step on the Design Test Steps screen. For this, select authormenu_btn as the element name and Verify Hidden as the keyword. Enter result within curly brackets in the output field to reflect the status after execution. For the second step, select it generic as element name and display variable value as keyword to display the output entered in the first test step. A point to note here is, it's required to enter the same value as that of the first test step's output field, in the second test step's input field. For this demo, the stored value is result. Click Save to save the designed test step. Next, click Debug and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps and verify the hidden status of the other menu option on the SAP landing page. After the debug, the true result indicates the selected object exists but is hidden, and a false result would have indicated the object exists and is visible.